Well, I won't come home this way, honey.
Yeah, find a way where you.
Well, I'll come up the gorge.
Yeah.
Whoop. Yeah, I'll be pleased when we get new tyres and wheel alignment done, honey. But I'll hold off as long as possible. Ooh. You might have to get out and walk, honey. Do you want to walk?
Going where? Oh.
See, and the people that buy the houses here. Oh, it's flooding. Ah, the council has to fix it. Ah, you stupid bastard.
They know this place is really prone to flood. Why
Yes,
they
honey.
both?
Well, they should have done their homework, honey.
Yeah. No need to complain if you know the place you.
Well, even if they don't know, too bad.
Morning, guys. I think the cyclone is now here in our place, so that's why you can see the flood and the heavy rain. So we pass different way where we used to going to work. To find a better way for us to that we're safe and no flood, but still there's flood. Because they are in a hurry. That's why the water.
Well, honey, you know,
If they just drive slowly, yeah.
well, honey, it shouldn't flood. You know, it rains in New Zealand.
Mm.
So, hello. So what do? We just sit there and say, oh, it's flooded.
Yeah.
We'll fix it. And they won't. They'll leave it till next time.
They know very well that rain is really normal here.
Yeah.
Why they don't
Lots
do?
of rain.
Yeah.
And they know where it floods. It'll be the same next time, honey.
Yeah.
No different. Be a wee bit late, so if you explain to the doctor and what's her name that there's quite a bit of flooding and also a couple of slips. Yeah.
Yeah.
And your husband did the best he could.
But we still have 20 minutes.
How long does it take to get there, honey?
Sometimes you can able to do it, but no rush. Just for us to be safe. I'm gone with that GoPro something, you know. I'm worried.
What GoPro?
You know that small camera that I bought,
Yes.
which I really don't know how to use it. That's why I'm very eager to sell it because it's useless. It will just sit on the cabinet. And good that I was able to solve it in a very good price. And I know the one who bought it is very thankful because I think he's, you know, Filipino always want to have videos to send to families and pictures to post on Facebook.
Stuff that I hate.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm very thankful. Things that we thought hard to sell, we were able to make it. So some of the stuff that's still there, they're just waiting for a good buyer to get it. That's how it is.
Oh dear, we might get some bumps in our four-wheel drive car. Far out. They rush through the water.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a few stones. People are funny. Particularly with vehicles. Anyway, I'll go the other way, honey. And
Going
I don't
home.
mind so much because
You're just
I know from memory that the left-hand side going to Lower Hutt gets quite a bit of water in it. But the outside near the sea and the rail, the train tracks doesn't have as much loose water.
Yeah.
So I don't mind
So guys, hopefully it's not too much rain when we come home, so that I can rest for a while. Have a
that. Well, that
little.
doesn't make sense. How's the rain going to stop you resting?
No, what I mean is because I need to be relaxed, have a little bit of studying regarding my pathways and go over the laptop.
Yeah, give us a call if you need help, honey.
Yeah. And hopefully at night it's not really heavy rain. Sometimes what they said don't really happen. You know, when they said regarding the weather.
Oh, yeah.
But
Honey, they caught in... Now, where this person hits a stupid bugger?
that one.
The red cones. Look, how would you hit that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's going this way.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's awkward in the forecast because what happens is if there's a lot of rain and flooding, people say, oh, you should have told us it was coming. So it's just like the West Coast where people have had to evacuate their homes twice.
Yeah.
And they say, well, you know, it's going to flood. If you go now, ahead of time, yeah, but it's not flooding yet. Yeah, but it will.
Yeah.
And of course you get silly people like me that will argue. But, oh, well, I'll go later. Oh, well, don't expect any help. You're on your own.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So, that's what happens with the weather situation. I think we'll be pretty much on time.
Yeah.
Right on.
I
9
think so.
o'clock. Well, I hope so. Look, honey,
Yeah.
even down the bank.
And we're here already, so no worries at all. Cause
We're not
soon,
here already.
what I mean is,
Yeah.
we're nearly.
We haven't got far to go.
Yeah, but
That's what you mean.
the road is not really heavy as you know.
Well, that's what I'm trying to pick. The later roads, they should be designing them, and that's some of the trouble with the new expressway. Remember the transmission gully?
Yeah.
With the rain, it's sort of flooding,
Yeah.
and that doesn't pass the test. So
That's
all
the problem.
all later roads should not flood, if that makes sense.
Oh yeah.
Right, I'll put that on to do my windscreen because it's foggy.
Because after this, it's the Abalon. And when we reach Abalon, not too long, we'll be there. Oh, that's the... Let it's a guy.
Yeah. Probably the eastern extraction. The river's up. Look how high the
Oh,
river
yeah,
is.
yeah. It's flooded. Yeah.
It's muddy. When we go over the bridge, honey, have a look down and see.
Yeah.
Now, see the banks on the other side?
Mm.
I've seen it where it goes way over the banks.
Ah.
It can get very high. Melling slip. So we're not going to Melling.
But I think you will pass that way going home, Melling.
Oh, yeah.
Be careful.
I have to really go home that way, honey.
Yeah, just be careful. I know you're a careful driver.
I could go down to Petone in the back roads and miss Melling.
Oh yeah, do it.
Come out of Douse.
As long as you can pass some other way.
Yeah, I can miss Melling.
Oh yeah.
I don't quite know where to go, but I think I should get a coffee or something just
To pass Pitoni.
to look, honey.
Oh yeah. Look at that
It's
land.
not that high.
Oh,
because
yeah.
I can see bare bits in the middle. Now where can I go for a coffee?
Near the after our, where we used to go for the doctor. I think there's a coffee shop on the right side, not on the side where their clinic.
Well, if anything, I'll go to, if that's the doctor where we go, I'd go to BP. Why wet?
Ah, yeah. That's much better.
Well, it is, but it's not really my way. But anyway, is that flooding? No. Because there are some local flooding areas in Petone, in that area. 'Cause, yeah, it's not really my way. But anyway, is that flooding? No. Because there are some local flooding areas in Petone, in that area. 'Cause, yeah, it's not really my way. But anyway, is that flooding? No. important.
Yeah.
Which is important for your husband.
I need to go to the toilet when I arrive there.
Okay.
Yesterday we're laughing because I think I was able to go 4 or 5 times because of too cold. You feel like,
Yeah, cold weather doesn't help, honey.
and also with oh gosh, it's funny. Anyway, I'll stop this. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to comment. God bless
I might
us.
go back up to mobile
Oh yeah.
because I know it's quiet there and I can get a parking. I know it's going the wrong way because what I can do is just keep going this way and go through Lower Hutt. But